If you want to completely disable or you want to enable Gemini or Google Assistant on OPPO Find X9, first of all, we can go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down and we need to go to Google. There we go. Switch to All Services. Scroll down over here in order to find the Search Assistant and Voice. Now over here, we're gonna go to Google Assistant. Even if you use Gemini, you want to still go to Google Assistant. And if you actually use Gemini, then you want to find the digital assistants from Google and switch to Google Assistant over here. And after that, we're gonna go to General, and you should be able to find this Google Assistant switcher. We can tap on the switcher and completely disable Gemini or Google Assistant. Now, of course, if you want to enable Google Assistant or Gemini, then you have to go back to these general settings and turn it on. In the case of Gemini, you need to open the Gemini app and you will be able to set it up as the default assistant. Besides that, what you can also do in settings is scroll down over here to accessibility and convenience, and then we're gonna keep scrolling until you find power button, and then in here we have press and hold the power button option. So we can switch to power menu or of course the digital assistant in case you want to actually use it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.